Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix this permission error on Messenger, the permission error 200 error that you can get on Android devices and on iPhones. I'll show you how to do it, so make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. Before we start, just give the video a like. Each like helps out the channel a lot. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,300 subscribers, which is great, but the goal is to hit 100K by the end of the year. And also, if you have any questions around the video, don't be shy, just comment them down below. We try to get back to every single comment, and you can also comment down below if you want us to cover another issue that you're facing, and we'll try to make a video on that within a week. So to actually fix this Facebook Messenger permission error, the easiest way is to go on your settings on your iPhone or the apps on your Android device. Just find Messenger. When you go down, click on it and make sure that you have background app refresh on, cellular data on. This is the first thing you want to do. And then what you want to do is go on general and iPhone storage. On an Android device, just go on apps, find Messenger. If you can, just click on the search bar and type in Messenger. And from there, what you want to do is actually offload the app, which is basically reset the cache in basically. So this will help clear a lot of errors just like this. But I know you can still have some issues, and if you do, just comment them down below. I'll try to help you out. Actually, we're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. But if you're one of the committed people that is still watching the video, make sure you comment down below which country are you from, because I want to know where you guys and girls are from. See you next video. Bye.